Today I'm on the hunt for a rare species of donut. They have been known to habitat this area. You can usually find them by trails of smoke coming from the area. And large... I think I've just seen the head of the digging donut. You've got to be very quiet, they scare very easily. There it is. You can hear its noise. And we've got to sneak up on him. Hope my shadow doesn't scare him too much. There you go. This is a rare sight. These usually move at very, very slow paces. Hang on, did he see me there? He may have seen me. They don't tend to take much notice of anything other than alcohol or fags and poles. This rare species here seems to be just idly digging the hole. They work on the principle of fear. For most of the year they just lay around. This form of donut has not seen me. I should be alright. I'm spotted, I've got to go.